I show you the extender and the location, and then I show the Euro device. Oh, my nails were pretty. And then I show the speeds. I should definitely show you the speeds using that server too. But this is what I was getting with the extender. And as you guys seen, I definitely had another wire ran up here, but that one failed, and I should go back and basically redo my Amazon review of that cable, because it shouldn't just give out in a few months. But then again, it was taped across the floor, and probably maybe a cat's claw punctured the wire or something. I have no idea. I'm going to do the Elite Fiber out of St. Louis, Missouri to do this speed test, because that's the server I used in that video. So let's try this now. Anyways, wired is always better. Wired is always better. Do not buy this brand of cable. Don't buy this brand. Just don't. Because this cable only lasts a month. There's a bunch of reviews saying it lasts a month. And my personal thing, that it didn't matter where I ran this cable was still going to stop working within 1 month. Just don't buy it. Just don't buy it. Spend extra and get a better cable. I bought a on-brand cable from Walmart for $19. It seems to be made of a better quality. You get what you pay for when you spend cheap. And unfortunately, this product is no good. It just up and stops working. Smoke from the Canadian wildfires. Anyways, thanks for watching.
Peace, love, and hugs. And be kind to each other. I love you all.